Man, what's good, YouTube? Man, we back again with another video, man. Man, hey, it's a nice day out here to give a nice little POV, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. If y'all wanna start seeing my face, let me know in the description below. Like, should I like face the camera on my face? Like, should I do something different? Or do y'all want me to like just keep the, camera on God? Like, honestly, it's up to y'all. Let me know, man. We is on the 15, bro. We are on the 15 now, bro. We on the iPhone 15 now, man. Hey. Now the motherfucking looking crispy as ever. And all that, man. But I'm gonna get this bitch started up, man. Stop talking y'all off for shit. Basically, I did just order like not too long ago like a short RAM intake, bro, for this bitch, cause we got the stock one. I'm about to show y'all, bro. But I just like ordered that bitch like not too long ago until I like do my supercharge shit and put my motherfucking can in. Cause this not finna be in for long. So yeah, I just want to put it in now for like something about for right now. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I want to get something in this bitch. I want the head to be better, so. For right now, I just put the short RAM in here. This bitch costs like, shit, I gotta do all that. But this shit costed like, a little something. Near 100, like I said. But yeah, man. You see, I only got the regular one. Wish it had more in it. So yeah, take this out. Just like that. Put that bitch in here, bro. We should be good. We should be good. Look, that's what I got coming, bro. And also, we finna burple today. Burple today. I ain't had my burples in a while, so yeah. Gotta go get some gas. She don't got no gas. She don't got no gas. On, bro. I feel like popping out today. Acting crazy today. But yeah, man. I'll catch y'all when we on the road. I put it in gear 2, bro, because I want to get some real burpees, bro. I want this bitch up. And I want to go fast a little, so. Yeah. So, yeah, we should be getting little burpees here and there, bro. I do want to go fast today, so, yeah. We're on the 15. Nice day out here too, bro. Beautiful day out here. Beautiful day outside. I don't want to do crazy, bro. I need gas, like I told y'all if I didn't say that. This 15 looking good, bro. It just fucked up half of the burples. should I put an H pipe or X pipe on this bitch? I ain't gonna lie. I'm thinking about an H pipe because dude said if you're gonna have an everyday car to drive, like you should be thinking about your back end. Cause I'm probably fucking, you know, like my cats be already, you know. So I ain't got cats, but like, you know, me not having cats on here, we already fuck. God damn, y'all, what the fuck going on? But yeah, me not having cats on here, you know, be like, the back pressure be like crazy, like, you know how that go, bro. But yeah, like, I don't know, H pipe or X pipe, put in the description, bro. And yeah, bro, Christmas almost over with, bro, and we about to be able to continue trying to get my supercharge together, bro. I got a couple parts, but you know, like, Christmas, man, I had to, you know, I gotta give people gifts and shit, man. I spent quite a lot of bread on people, bro. So yeah, that can really be going into the car. So yeah, bro, that shit, I mean, hey, my peoples though. So, you know, I ain't mad, cause you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, bro. That meter is crazy, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. That shit crazy, yo. But yeah, I'm just waiting on this light, man. This shit. Got the motherfucking pedestrians walking across the street and shit. Man, but yeah, man, I've been laying low. I want to just give y'all POV drive, man. I was bored in the house, so I ain't going back. Police up there? Oh yeah, we gotta chill. We have to chill. What the fuck? Why is it so crowded up there, bro? Get the combos up in this shit, bro. Combos up in that shit, man. Fuck that. Like, fuck around going this time, bro. What? I ain't even gonna bap. Here we go, perfectly backed up on bro. Alright, let's get this gas, man. Hit y'all back up when I'm in this motherfucking car. I'll be back, man. Oh, man. I'm gonna raise down this window, bro, just to fucking get y'all the live footage of my life. Make sure no kids around, nobody around. I don't wanna hit nobody. I don't wanna hit nobody. Traffic, bro, traffic. Come on, my brother. Hey, I ain't gonna bap. This is gonna be a short POV, bro, cause yeah, I shouldn't be doing too much. And I should see some capos out, and I don't wanna deal no capos, not dead, not dead. Where's the burgers, bro? Shit warmed up enough. That's all. I actually gotta go on that side, so. Burpees. I ain't got no big burpees today, bro. I don't feel like hearing all that noise. I want to get all the pulls, bro. So yeah, so I go a little bit faster. I'm just gonna drive around too, bro. I don't want to drive around shit, bro. Fuck it, I'm bored. Should I put in, bro? Should I put in? Oh yeah, just so y'all know, bro. To get like more burples like out of your Pontiac, if you get this tone, like more burples, put your shit in second gear, first gear, third gear. I mean, you shouldn't have to put it in third gear, cause the fuck. I mean, I don't think so. I ain't going back, y'all. I think I'm putting this bitch in first though. I want to hear like some more burples. I don't want to go that fast because cops out, so I'm thinking about just making a little bit more noise. So y'all finna get like more of second and first gear, bro. So yeah. X alert. I feel like making noise. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah. X alert. I feel like making more noise, bro. Cause I'm just, I don't know. I'm just a noise type nigga. So we finna throw this bitch in first. Get it air. Get it air. I remember Escalade was cutting up my POV. Y'all should saw it, bro. This shit was crazy. Man, look at the peoples, bro. The early access, actually. Fix my language. Fix my language. This motherfucker be crazy. Well, these people like this nigga, bro. Man, you don't want no smoke. Let me stop. Let me humble myself. Let me humble myself. Let me humble myself. But yeah, man, I love cutting up. This should be fun, bro. Hey, y'all, if you in the Illinois area, Chicago, Indiana, bro, and you got a Pontiac, I mean, even if you don't got a Pontiac, bro, man, comment down below if you want to cut up, bro. Or do you want to, like, you know, just give me some content, bro. Like, I'll be bored shit, and then I do, like, honestly want people to ride with. Like, I'll be bored. I'll be like, bro, I need somebody to ride with, because, like, you know, it's not really many people out here, like, in Chicago that's really YouTubers want to ride with. You know, it's, like, mostly Hemi people. It's like, bro, you niggas can ride with other people, too, bro. Like, you don't got to only ride with Hemis, my nigga, but, I mean, you know how that go. I don't really care. I'm just saying. But, I mean, I still want somebody to ride with. I don't give a fuck what kind of car you got. You cut up, nigga, you got a fucking Oldsmobile, you got a fucking Saturn, nigga. You got a fucking Saturn. I don't give a fuck what you got. Some type of motherfucking car, nigga. I'm still. Turn, bro. Come on. Come on, nigga, go. Shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This should be fun as fuck. Like I said, if you got any kind of comment you want to cut up, man, comment down below and let me know. Comment down below and let me know. And we get something going, bro. I don't give a fuck what you, bro. What is you doing, bro? Come on, bro. Yeah, everybody not finna just get. Y'all look at this motherfucker trying to. What the fuck are they doing? Fuck up, man. Hurry up. This motherfucker making noise. Get the fuck out of my way. That little ass motherfucking nigga. Making noise today, nigga. Making noise today. That motherfucking over there. They got the 15 too. We turning up. Fuck this. Good content coming soon. I'm finna whip this bitch, man. Fuck it. Hold it with this phone. Damn, man. I'm finna whip this bitch. No, I can't do that. I need to hold this one, bro. This shit from some lit ass content. What the hell's going on, bro? Look at all this traffic, bro. I'm gonna have fun today, bro. Fuck that. Y'all keep hitting that like button, that subscribe button, man. What the fuck is you doing? See this Monte Carlo, bro. Bro, nigga turn. These motherfuckers be hitting so good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. These motherfucking burpers be hitting so good. Hitting so good. Bro just got work. Bro just got work. Hey. Like I said, man, should I do this X pipe or H pipe? I'm scared this shit gonna, you know, like, fuck with my, like, burpers and shit like that. Like, am I gonna lose more, like, am I gonna lose, like, shit? All the good, nice cars out, but, like, I ain't doing shit. They ain't on my side. Like, I just want to get some content for y'all, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it on it, but damn, I can't. Okay, like, finna cut up some more then, because I can't get on the side, so, yeah. You did all this just for you. I ain't gonna say nothing, bro. I'm just gonna let this nigga ride out. But yeah, y'all, we is on the motherfucking 15 and shit, bro. How y'all like this, bro? I ain't gonna lie, it's kinda cold out here. It was just nice, bro. Like 50, it's cold. Motherfucking Supreme making all that noise. Supreme making all that noise. I wonder, can we like change the motherfucking camera angle and like mid? Probably can. That shit crazy. Y'all like this view? I think y'all like this view better probably, cause like I be like moving the camera a little bit. Y'all let me know, bro. This 0.5, 0.5, this 2. I mean, I wouldn't think y'all would like that. This is 1. What would y'all think? What do y'all think? That shit fixed. I don't know why it's making that noise. I quit, bro. I'm a fucking goofy. I'm gonna take this bitch out the first gear though in a minute. I'm finna just ride with the second gear, bro. I think I'm done having fun in the first gear, bro. What y'all think? What y'all thinking, bro? I'm gonna let my car chill, bro. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna let my car chill, bro. Hey, bro, that shit was just fun. I'm trying to warm this bitch up anyway, so I'm gonna take it out of that gear, bro. That was fun. Is that a dick? Oh, I thought that was a dick. That's a regular ass Taurus. I'm a goofy. I quit. I confess. I be thinking they looking at me, bro. Oh, she ain't paying no attention. Grandma, you don't want it, bro. Grandma, get your ass back. You don't want it. You don't want it, Grandma. Get your ass back. You don't want it, Grandma. I'll tell you apart. Probably good at cooking, but you ain't good at me. You ain't good at what I do. Granny, you don't want it. Get your ass back. And I'm going to speed limit, 35. You only going 45. Chillax. Don't get on my case. Alright, bro. No, you don't try to pass me like I'm going too slow, bro. Your ass better wait. Try to pass me, nigga. So wrong. Y'all enjoy this video, bro. I'm doing all this shit. I'm just having my fun, though, regardless. But now that goes. Man, get your ass on, bro. Man, that motherfucking. Can't even see if my sign over in the back. Tell your ass apart. I wanna put this bitch in drive, but at the same time, I wanna drive purpose, bro. I'm trying to just do a mix of everything for y'all, bro. Tell me if y'all like that shit. Fuck with it. A mix of all, bro. A mix of all. We getting back on the main road, so I'll probably put this bitch back in. In that mode. I'm speeding. Fuck it, we gonna put it back in that mode. I'm just gonna turn on I'm turning green. I ain't finna turn. I don't know this area. I know this area, but I don't know it like that. I ain't trying to tear my shit up, boy. Got me fucked up. She need to chill out, bro. Who the fuck, like, who grandma is that? She trying to, like, she young. Man, look at my car on the reflection. That nigga car, that shit raw as hell, bro. This 15 is doing some amazing shit. What's that? That's a motorcycle. Anyways, go back to one, bro. Man, what a day. bro. Let me, bro. Come on. Shit, bro. Nah, this nigga won't turn, bro. When? What the fuck? Anyways, bro. Come on, brother. This a dick. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't know where I'm going, y'all, but like, you know, I'm just tired for real. I'm just guessing. Neighborhood cut up. Anyways, bro, let me go end this video off, bro. Let's go find something with her. Actually, I do not know where I'm going, shorty. Hey, my brother back there. I saw a Pontiac Grand Prix back there. My brother's back there.
Hey, alert.
Damn, where the hell am I at? Take it out this gear, man. Let's end off this video, bro. Let me go back to that pancake spot. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Go back to that pancake spot. All this traffic, bro. But yeah, end it off, man. End it off, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that little cut up and shit. A little POV, man. Something simple, something short, something slight. You know, I have to get out something, bro. I was bored in the house, brother. I was bored in the house. God damn, bro. Can I get over? Or can I get, like, come on, bro. Somebody gotta let me go, bro. Appreciate you. I ain't gonna lie. About to turn right. In the video off in this Sophia's house of pancakes. Bro. Thank you, Sophia. Bro. I'm gonna end this hoe off. Hey, should've went to gas. Hey, man. Hope y'all enjoyed that POV, man. We are on the iPhone 15, bro. This bitch looks amazing, bro. Like, this bitch so crazy. Just look at it, bro. And that shirt. Look at it, bro. Hey. Hope y'all enjoyed that POV, like I said, bro. That's it. Yeah, man, we got so much shit coming for this car, bro. It's crazy. Ordered a short ram intake, like I said, bro. Yeah, that's what I ordered. So that should be coming in the next POV. Probably not. I don't know. But yeah, we back on our shit now. Christmas is over, basically. So yeah, I'm done with my gift shopping. So now it's back to saving up, get my shit back together, bro. And then yeah, bro, it's Supercharged should be in this bitch soon, bro. Should get this paint together, bro. Oh my god, imagine when the paint together though. Like, the paint did not look good to me, bro. The paint, just wait. We got so much shit coming, bro. We gonna fix all these dents and dings, all this bullshit. This car gonna be amazing, bro. Watch this. New rims gonna come. I want some bronze on this bitch. So yeah, all that, man. We just not getting started, bro. But like I said, I appreciate the love, man. Y'all been going crazy with this damn love, bro. I appreciate y'all for that, bro. Yeah, like, I'm really thankful, bro. But anyways, man, I'm finna get out of here, bro. Finna go back home and go lay my ass back down, I guess, or some shit like that. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like, bro. Fuck with a nigga, bro. If you really fuck with me, you really fuck with me, bro. But yeah, man, I'll catch y'all later, man. Mighty J signing out, nigga.